Thinking about getting a fridge on rent but not sure if it's worth it? Will it be used? What if it stops cooling? Does Rent-A-Mojo cover gas refills? And what happens to your rental subscription if you relocate? Here's everything you need to know about fridge on rent from Rent-A-Mojo in one video. Is renting a fridge cheaper than buying? A mid-range single-door fridge costs between 9,000 to 15,000 rupees upfront. And then there's maintenance, gas refills, and the very real problem of having to sell or transport when you shift cities. With Rent-A-Mojo, single-door fridge rentals start under 600 rupees a month. No large upfront spend, and when you move, Rent-A-Mojo relocates the fridge for free. Will you get a new fridge or a used one? You will get a refurbished fridge. And here's what that actually means. Every fridge on Rent-A-Mojo goes through a thorough quality check and a service cycle before it is delivered. It cools like new, it looks like new, and if it doesn't pass the quality check, it doesn't leave the warehouse. So no, you're not getting someone else's broken down fridge. You're getting an appliance that has been serviced properly. What sizes are available? Rent-A-Mojo has single-door fridge, double-door fridge, and mini portable fridges on rent. Single-door are good for bachelor setups and smaller kitchens. Double-door for couples or families who need more space. And mini fridges are good for rooms, offices, or secondary storage. Pick whatever fits your kitchen and your household. What's the minimum rental period? Minimum rental tenure starts from 3 months up to 36 months. And after that, you can continue on a monthly basis if needed. Need to close early? You pay 1 month's rent as an early closure fee. How much is the security deposit?
Yes, there is a security deposit and it's refundable.
After the fridge is picked up and passes the quality check, you get the full amount back within 7 working days.
And if you opt for Mojo Secure, you get coverage for accidental damages, minor wear and tear, and unexpected incidents during use. This means your security deposit will be protected even if something goes wrong accidentally.
What if the fridge stops cooling or breaks down? You simply raise a ticket on the Rent-A-Mojo app. A technician visits within 72 hours and all repairs are completely free of cost in your rental subscription. If it can't be repaired, it gets replaced. You're not paying for service calls, you're not hunting for the repair shop, that is all completely handled. Does Rent-A-Mojo cover gas refills and compressor issues? Yes. All technical maintenance including gas refills and compressor failures is Rent-A-Mojo's responsibility. You don't pay a single rupee for it. And honestly, this is one of the biggest advantages of renting over owning. Compressor repairs on a bought fridge can cost easily between 5,000 to 8,000 rupees. And this is not something you need to worry about with your rental fridge. What happens when the tenure ends? You can either return it or continue to rent it. It is completely your choice. In case you choose to return it, the Rent-A-Mojo team picks it up, checks it for damage, and your security deposit is returned within 7 working days if all is in order. No arranging transport, no selling to strangers online, and no storage problems. Can you upgrade from a single-door fridge to a double-door fridge later? Yes, on a 24-month plan, you can upgrade for a higher value fridge once a year. So if your household grows or your storage needs change, you're not stuck. You can simply upgrade it with your rental subscription. What if you relocate to another city? Rent-A-Mojo moves your rented fridge to a new city for free. One relocation per tenure. Your subscription continues, same plan, just a different address. And if you're shifting your entire home, Rent-A-Mojo also offers Mojo Mover, a packers and movers service at affordable and competitive rates. So, to summarize, fridge rentals start under 600 rupees a month. Every fridge is quality checked and serviced before delivery. Sizes include single door, double door, and mini fridges. Minimum tenure is from 3 months up to 36 months. The deposit is refundable. All repairs including gas refills and compressor are completely free and upgrades are available on the 24-month plan. Additionally, one free relocation is available per tenure. No upfront cost, no repair bills, no moving headaches. So check out Rent-A-Mojo to get a fridge delivered and set up without the 15,000 upfront cost. Fridge rentals start under 600 rupees a month.